China is a relatively cheap place to visit in the world, but there are still ways that you can save money in this country, allowing you to travel for longer. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we are sharing ways to save money in Shanghai. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So our first tip for saving money in Shanghai is to visit in the off-season. So the winter in Shanghai isn't too cold and it is off-season, so you can save money on hotels and travel during this time. We recommend you head to Shanghai from October through to February to save some money. However, as always with China, make sure to avoid the public holidays. The major holidays include Golden Week, which normally lands at the start of October, and Chinese New Year, which normally lands around February. Our next tip to save some money in Shanghai is to book in advance. There are some great hotels in Shanghai, as well as a vast selection of hostels and budget hotels to choose from. Book in advance to get the best budget deal for you. Now, our next tip to save some money in Shanghai, and I know we say this all the time, is to eat locally. So stick to the local food whilst you're in Shanghai. This is a lot cheaper than the Western options. Also, Western food in China never tastes like it should, so just avoid it and stick to the local food and save some money as well. The next thing you need to know before you head to Shanghai, and it's going to save you some money, is don't tip. So tipping is not expected in China, and you don't need to do so whilst you're in the city. Another way to save some money on accommodation in Shanghai is to use the CTRIP app. So this is an app and website which compares hotel prices, and they generally come out cheaper than any other comparison website for China. You can also use this app or website to book your train tickets in advance, which we highly recommend you do if you are visiting in a peak season. So the next way we recommend you save some money in Shanghai is to stay on the outskirts. So train and taxi travel in Shanghai is very affordable, but the accommodation in the city centre, especially near the Bund, is expensive. Choose a place further out and commute in and out to see the sights instead. And on a similar note, taxis are very affordable in Shanghai, but a way to save even more money is to use the public transport. So you will find a metro stop near most major landmarks in the city, and the average trip costs just 4 RMB, so we highly recommend you stick to using the metro to save money. Also, don't forget to bargain. So when you're in Shanghai, there are lots of fake markets that you can visit and do a bit of shopping at. However, as soon as a vendor sees that you are a foreigner, they will try to overcharge. We always suggest that you start offering 50% of the original price that they offer and settle between 10 to 40% less of the price they've given. Remember that walking away can help persuade sellers as well. And lastly, let's talk about nightlife. So unlike some of the other cities in China, Shanghai actually offers a fantastic nightlife scene. However, it can be expensive. We recommend that you check the happy hours and check for drink coupons that are available in some nightclubs to save some money for your nights out. So we hope you have an incredible and affordable time in Shanghai. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let us know if you found it helpful in the comments below. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And until next time, stay creative.